Okay, thank you for kind introduction. So in our group 2, we discuss about the relationship between the goal 1 and these 3 goals, goal 3, 4, and 5, relating to the health, education, and the gender equality. However, before we discuss this relationship is a co-benefit or a trade-off, there is some questions among the members. So it is difficult to distinguish the effect of these goals on each others. So to judge whether the effect will be positive or negative, we have to think the case or the case. So in our group, we decide the percentage of the co-benefit and the trade-off. For example, so to think this target 1.1 relating to the eradicate of the poverty and the 3.3, we conclude. So the first impression of our member is the totally the positive effect. However, it connects to the the problem of the social infrastructures. So maybe if the poverty will become better, the social infrastructure will be not completely become good. Became improvement. So we decide only not the 100% of the co-benefit. It's just the 70% co-benefit, and the 30% is the trade-off. And the second one is the maybe we have a lot of things about the education, but maybe so the poverty is a huge barriers to the education for the children. So if the poverty problems will improve, maybe the education levels also increase. So we conclude that almost 100% is the co-benefit. And finally, we discussed the relationship between the 1.1 and the gender equality. So maybe there is a lot of discussion here in our groups. And firstly, we consider that this relation is neutral. However, so the increase of the income leads to the decision-making power for the woman. So not the 100%, but some part is the co-benefit to this gender equality problem. So this is the result of our discussion. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.